Hello beautiful! In this video we're going to learn how to do Arabic step turns. So this is something that we do a lot in our dance, and you see it in many other dance too, like merengue and so on. So we're going to go forward and back, which is your rock step. You rock forward and you rock back. Rock forward, rock back. So there's only one foot that goes forward and back. The one that stays in the center, that one you still put some weight, you still so it's not just a tap. You gotta rock yourself to the front foot and then back to the middle foot and then back, center, forward, center, back, center. So I have my right leg going forward and back, and my left foot is on the spot. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But when we start turning, you'll be turning on the 3. So just 1, 2, just kind of do your counts. So it's 4 steps. This rock step has 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So I'm going to use the same foot. So let's do the right again. So you're going to go 1, 2, and then when you bring your right foot back, 3, kind of point the foot towards the right side because you're getting ready to turn to the right. 3, and then bring your foot 4. Okay, so that left foot stays in the center, but it will kind of come back around. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you're going to pivot that foot facing back. Okay, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that again. So the left foot stays there, but it's going to pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you repeat. Right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. So if you start with your right foot facing me, when you're facing back, you do the same foot. Right, left turn, right, left, forward, right, left turn, right, left. Switch. Okay. Left foot, it's my right, but left for you. 1, 2. Get ready to turn to your left. 3, 4. And then same foot, just look back, don't look at my foot. Start with your left foot. 1, 2. Start pivoting. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is nicely done mostly when it's diagonal. So start with your right foot. And again, if you start with your right foot, you're going to be turning that side on the right. Okay? So you're going to go 1, 2, turn to the right. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. If you start with your left foot, you're going to be turning to your left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's your Arabic step with a turn. And it's a fun step to do. And I hope to see you in the next video. And if you want to add some shimmies, I will add a shimmy. I think you could look the next video that's going to be on here somewhere. Bye.